Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, we're going to be making a couple of DIYs with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. So this video is part of a collaboration called This Is My Thing, Estoeslomio. And the host of this collab is Deborah Cabassa. So the co-host of this collab is Daisy DIY, Kiki DIYs, Antoinette Decorating, Deborah Cabassa Home Living, Arrows DIY, The Grace Life DIY Home Decor, that's me, Sweet Little Home, Marika Creations, and OK at Home DIY. So I'm going to be linking the hosts and all of the co-hostesses down below in the description box. I'm also going to be linking the playlist, so make sure to watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist so that you can see what we create with This Is My Thing. So we also ask that you use YouTube etiquette. So let's jump into the video. So as you can see, we already started. So Dollar Tree is carrying these cute little baskets, and they're a perfect square. They're not the little rectangular ones, and these have the jute twine to hang these, so that's really neat. So what I'm doing is using the burnt umber apple barrel paint with a little bit of water diluted. We're using it as a stain, and so that's what you see me doing right here. So now that I let that dry, and it dries very quickly, we're going to go ahead and use this foam that I purchased from Dollar Tree along with those florals and their lavenders. We're going to be making some little floral baskets, and that's what you see me doing right here. We're going to go ahead and cut that block into the perfect size for those little baskets. So now that we have the foam all cut up, perfect size for inside the basket, we're gonna hot glue that to the bottom of the basket so that nothing moves around. Now I'm gonna take these lavenders and I'm gonna cut them off that stem. So this way it makes it easier for me to arrange how full it looks. And this is what you see me doing right here. Now I found this little bunch of lilacs in my stash. So we're gonna cut some of these just to give it that little pop of color in both little boxes. So look how beautiful these florals came out. I am loving it. So I hope you guys love it too. Let's move on to the next project. So now during the holidays, the Dollar Tree was carrying these signs here. And I'm going to take the hope sign off and we are going to repurpose this. Okay, so we're going to be using that burnt umber color that I purchased from Walmart. And we did take that sign off, so I'm going to have to do a little bit of sanding and wipe that up real quick. So that's what you see me doing here. Just sand out some of the rough places there. And then we're going to paint that in that burnt umber color. can see, I went ahead and moved that over to the side to let that dry. Now we're going to be using these leftover florals to go ahead and make a little swag for the top of this beautiful sign. I can't wait for you to see it. So I wanted to make 2 little jute twine bows to put on the bottom of the sign, and we are going to embellish this with a loose gem. So now it's time to go ahead and glue that sign down and then place the swag on the top of this decor piece. I am absolutely loving how this sign came out, and I hope you guys agree. So now let's move on over to the next project. Now we're going to be using that extra pillow that I had thrown on my couch, and we're going to be using these buffalo check placemats, which are new to the Dollar Tree where I live. I decided to keep the cover instead of taking the filling out of the pillow. I decided to just Now after I got done sealing the edges of that placemat, now we're stuffing the pillow inside, and then we're going to go ahead and glue the end, and we are almost done with this project. I cannot wait for you to see the reveal.